Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Perfect Forex, and today guys I'll be dropping the strategy I promised you guys about on catching spikes. I'll be dropping this strategy today. But if you are just new to this channel, if you are just coming across this channel, if you are just seeing this YouTube page for the first time, I would like you to please click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to post a new video, you guys will be notified. And also do well to share my videos with your friends, with your family. Let them know that something amazing is happening on my YouTube channel, Perfect Forex. And also guys, don't forget to drop a like, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section about this video. The settings of this strategy is still the same with the settings I gave in my last three videos. The same settings, but I'll be going over it just for the sake of those who will be watching this video for the first time. Okay guys, now to set this indicator on your screen, this is what you need. You need to click on the F icon here, then click on the main chart. After clicking on the main chart, then you click on the relative strength index, RSI, then set the parameters as shown. Set the parameters as shown, and then also the levels, add level 50 to the RSI. Add level 50 to the RSI. Once you are through with everything, click on done. Now once you've clicked on done, indicator window 1 will be displayed. Now where you will need to click next is on the indicator window 1, the F icon on the indicator window 1. Click on the F icon, and then what you'll be adding next is your envelopes, and these are the settings of the envelope. These are the parameters. The period should be set to 500, shift 0, deviation 200. Just follow everything that is displaying on your screen like this, then click on done. Now the next indicator you'll be needing is the stochastic oscillator. Click on the indicator window 1 F icon plus again, then click on what? Your stochastic oscillator. Now these are the settings of the stochastic oscillator. The parameters are shown on your screen. Once you are through setting everything like this, set everything in accordance with what you are seeing. Once you are done, click on done at the upper right corner. Now the last indicator you'll be needing is the MACD, and these are the settings of the MACD. Just follow everything that is displaying on your screen like this. Once you are through with everything, click on done. Now guys, this is how this indicator works. In my last two videos, I posted on how you can actually use this indicator to scalp for 5 candles, 3 to 5 candles. And if you actually followed the instructions I gave, you should have been milking the market. I've actually seen comments of people saying they don't really get how to use indicator. Well, what I would strongly advise is you watch the video and try to watch it carefully and follow all the instructions I gave. Now, how does this strategy works for catching spike? How does this strategy work for catching spikes? Now, as you can see guys, what the indicators that are being displayed on your screen majorly are just the stochastics and the MACD, and also the envelopes. These horizontal lines you are seeing at the envelopes. This green zigzag line you are seeing is my MACD, and also this red line is my stochastics. So guys, how do you use this indicator to catch spikes? Now what you'll be looking out for basically is that you'll be waiting for the stochastics, that is on crash 1000 and crash 500. You'll be waiting for the stochastics to be dropping from this green horizontal line. Once the stochastics is dropping from this green horizontal line, which signifies the resistance, and a spike occurs pushing, did you get that, pushing these stochastics to cross this MACD, you'll be looking out to enter for a sell. But to have more confirmation, you won't just enter for a sell from the 1 minute. You can go to the 1 hour time frame to look for more confirmations. As you can see right now, this is actually a good confirmation for me to enter into the market. Because why? Price is at a resistance, that is this point and also this point. So if I should enter the market for a sell, I won't be wrong. And also I can also go to the 15 minutes to check for possible entries. Look at, you can see that, okay, my screen is too small, but you can see that this is where price is at the moment, and there have been multiple rejections at that point. There was a rejection here, price got to this point, there was a drop, there was a rejection, price got to this point, there was a rejection. So me entry for a sell based on the signal the indicator is giving on the 1 minute, I won't be wrong entering for a sell. So guys, I'll be taking a live trade right now. I'll be showing you guys enter for a sell and hold. I'll enter for the sell and hold. I'll enter for the sell and hold. Basically guys, I don't really enjoy catching spikes on crash 1000 and boom 1000 using this indicator. Although it works, you will see in the next few minutes how effective this is. Although it works, but I don't really use it to catch spikes on crash 1000 and boom 1000. I prefer that. Is just personally I prefer to use it on crash 500 and boom 500. I actually entered for this sell. Let me show you the guys. I entered for this sell. I caught this spike. I entered from here. Market retreat, bought, got to this point and spiked, and I got out from here. I wanted to make this video. That was why I exited the market. I can actually show you the profit. Let's show you the profit. Look at it. Can you see, guys? Can you see? Crash 500. This was the profit. I made profit on it and I closed out. So guys, once the stochastics, that is for crash 500 or crash 1000, once the stochastics is dropping from this height, and the spike that occurred is pushing the stochastics to cross this MACD, then you'll be looking out for a sell. You will be looking out for a sell, confirming on the higher time frame that price is at either a support, that is for boom, or a resistance for crash. Do you understand? Let me show you guys how it works for boom 500 and crash and boom 1000. Okay guys, as you can see right now, there are no, let me check on the 1 minute. Okay, there are no entries right now. Look at this point, guys. Now, how does this work on the boom index? Now, you'll be waiting. Initially for the crash index, you wait for the stochastics to be dropping from where? From this green horizontal line, and the MACD must be rising from this red horizontal line. Once a spike occurs and pushes the both of them to cross, then you enter for your sell. But for boom 500 and boom 1000, what you'll be looking out for is for the stochastics to be rising from this red horizontal line. Once it is rising from this red horizontal line and this MACD is dropping from this green horizontal line, once a spike occurs and they cross, that is confirming on the higher time frame that price is at a support. That is, price is at a support either on 15 minutes or on 1 hour. Once you've confirmed that price is at a support, then, and on the 1 minute it is now showing you a crossover, that is, a spike has occurred and it has pushed the indicators to crossover, then you can be looking out for a buy move. Look at, guys, after you entered from this, look at the place where the market crossed. Look at just a minor pullback. Look at the move. Look at the buy move. You would have entered and exited the market from the next resistance again. It have exited the market like that. So guys, that is how it works for boom 500. You'll be waiting for the MACD to be rising from, you'll be waiting for the MACD to be dropping from the green horizontal line above, and waiting for the stochastic oscillator to be rising from the red horizontal line below. That is for boom 500 and boom 1000 index. But for crash 500 and the crash 1000 index, the reverse is the case. I'm trying to look for an entry reason here. Look at this entry. If you check this particular point on the higher time frame, that is this old spike that happened. If you check it on the higher time frame, that is this point also that the indicator crossed, you discover that it actually crossed from a support. Why you can see so many spikes is because this crossing happened from a major support. That is why the spike occurred like this. So you'll be able to ride the spike and exit at the next resistance. That's how it works for boom 500 and boom 1000, guys. Let's see. Okay, another profit. As you can see, a spike just occurred just now. So crash 1000 and crash 500. I entered the market from this point initially, and I held and entered, and the spike occurred, and I closed out in $2 profit. This move is actually a long sell move, but I just decided to just close out for the sake of this video I am about to make. And also, guys, as you are waiting for the spikes to occur, let me see if a spike has occurred already. Okay, a small spike. Can you see, guys? A small spike just occurred. As you are waiting for the major spike to occur, let me just drop a few tips. Can you see, guys? Did you just see? Can you see this? I wasn't even done talking and the spike already occurred. So guys, this strategy is crazy. As you can see, I took this trade in your I took this trade in your presence, and as you can see, it spiked. That's how I've been using this indicator to milk the market. Now, as I was saying, many people don't actually understand how to use indicators. As I said in my previous video before this, many people just feel, people drop indicators, and because they don't really know how to use it, they jump from indicator to indicator, and they feel like, indicators don't work. Because why? They don't really know how to use it. So guys, you need to have a firm understanding of the use of indicators first before you switch. Understand a particular indicator first before you switch. I have been using this indicator and it has been working crazily. There are times I use this indicator to catch 4 hours candle, and I ride the market for solid 4 hours from a sniper entry. That is even the beautiful thing about this. It gives you sniper entry. So guys, look at, are you seeing this is sniper entry move? So guys, as I said, let me just give you guys a few tips, because in my last video I wasn't able to cover much as regards the tips I dropped. Okay, now one thing you need as a trader is a good trading community. You won't really be able to do it alone if you are just trading all by yourself. Because there are times that you will need the company of other people so that you have that emotional strength to pick trades or to withstand losses. Because there are times that in the market you will make loss, and because you don't really have anybody to fall back to, and because you don't have anyone to just console you or make you feel as though, yes, we are in this together, you might just be down and just feel as though trading is not for you. So you need a good company of traders for you to be able to grow effectively in trading. Before I continue, many people might be asking that what zoom level will I be using for this strategy. You'll be using the 5th zoom level, or any of the levels from the 6th or the 5th, either the 6th or the 5th. But from the 3rd, 4th, 2nd, 1st, like that, it won't really be effective. So if you want to use the 5th or the 6th, it is effective. Although I prefer to use the fifth, that is this zoom level. Now this is the first zoom level. Just zoom out to the last and then zoom in once. This is the zoom level I prefer to use. So guys, you need a community of traders where you guys can rub minds together and you'll be able to flow with the quality ideas people drop. You'll be able to flow with the quality ideas people drop. This trade actually is going to be a long sell. It's going to be a long sell. But if I want to catch just a spike, I'd have caught my spike and I would have gone out of the market. But guys, I have a community of traders that you belong to. I have a community of traders, not just any kind of traders, but a good and quality community that you belong to. It will actually help your trading journey. It will help your trading career. And also guys, I made mention of the fact that it is not wise to sulk at a loss for too long. That is, after losing in the market, you just sit down at the place of your loss and you are there whining and crying. No, what you need to do is go back and re-strategize and come back and attack the market. Because this is money that is on the table for you to take. This is money lying await for you to take. All you need is just a good strategy and the right kind of people around you. Have the right kind of people around you. So guys, basically this is how the strategy works. If I'll be saying any other entry in any of the commodities, I'll be taking them, but for now there are no possible entries, so I won't be taking any trade. If I want to buy, can you say spike again? If I want to buy using this indicator, what I'll be waiting for this MACD to come below this 50 level and this in the stochastics rising below this 50 level. Once this MACD crosses below this 50 level and crosses the stochastics below this 50 level, I'll be entering for my 5 candle buy. Let me just show you guys. Look at this point. Are you seeing? They are crossing below this 50 level, 5 candles, and you're out of the market. This is how I use it to make the market for my buy. 5 candles. Look from this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're out of the market. So guys, can you see? Let's look at this point from here. Okay, this place we were caught by a spike. Now, when I first dropped this video, I made mention of the fact that no strategy is 100%. Now, why for me I won't be taking this trade is because I won't take a trade once the market is on a downtrend. And even if you look at this, you will discover that this didn't give us a clear entry. Maybe it was because after the market has repainted, it is now showing that there was an entry. But from this point, from where they actually met, there was no entry. Can you see? There was really no entry. So I wouldn't be entering the market for any buy or sell. Or for any buy. So this strategy works. Once it gives you a clear confirmation for a buy, enter the market for your buy. So guys, this is how this strategy works. Let me just do a quick recap before I end this video. Now, for you to catch spikes on crash 1000 and crash 500, you'll be waiting for what? You'll be waiting for the stochastics to drop from this height, from this green horizontal line, and the MACD will be rising from this red horizontal line. Once a spike occurs and it pushes the MACD and stochastics to cross, after doing your top-down analysis from the higher time frame, and you are seeing that the current price is at a resistance, enter for your sell and come out at the nearest or the next support, or anytime you are satisfied. You can actually use it to catch a candle and then a spike, and then you exit the market. But you can actually still hold it and ride the market till you personally are satisfied. So, and also for boom 500 and boom 1000, the reverse is the case. For you to catch spikes, you just ensure that the stochastics is rising from this red horizontal line, and this MACD is dropping from this green horizontal line. And once they cross, after doing your analysis from the higher time frame and seeing that it is at a support, then enter for your buy, and exit the market at the next or the nearest resistance. So guys, this is how the strategy works. As you can see, I took a live trade in your presence, and it actually entered into profit. So I'll be ending this video here. If you are just seeing this YouTube channel for the first time, or if you are just seeing my YouTube page for the first time, I would like you to please click on the subscribe button. I would like you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It does help the analytics of my YouTube channel. And also please click on the like button and share my videos with your friends and family. Let them know that something amazing is happening on my YouTube channel. Something amazing is happening on my YouTube channel. So guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. This is Perfect Forex. Do have a great day and God bless. Before I end the video, I will be closing my trades. If I wanted to catch a spike, I would have closed my trades initially, but I just wanted to show you guys how this strategy works. So I'll be ending the trades. I'll be closing the trades right now. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. As I said earlier, thank you very much for your time. This is Perfect Forex. Do have a great day and God bless.